Please go there, they will gonna come.
Chilling in Istanbul, feeding some homeless cats. Enjoy the video.
Yeah.
This is wild. This is wild. God.
So what are you two up to now? Black cats and dark alley.
In the shadows of the alleyway deep, Mr H2S with secrets to keep. Around him friendly cats, they purr and they creep. Homeless but happy in a world half asleep. Traveling onward through the cityscape, generating smiles and never escape. Though pockets are empty, his soul's agape. Poor but happy, wrapped in his old cave. Laughing through the night with his feline crew. No riches in his grip, but love shines through. His story echoes with an eerie hue. Mr H2S, the cats they all knew.
We met a very friendly guy who is also a super cat lover. He took us to the store, showed us where to get a little bit cheaper cat snack because we've been spending fortunes. And now we're here filming one of my favorite color cats. It's a black one. It's beautiful. For some strange reason, we've seen a lot of cats who are blind on one eye this time, which is very sad. But still, lots of healthy cats, which is so lovely. Yeah. And we've been told that the cats with a little bit chipped ear, they've all been vaccinated, so they should all be good.
Cats. You like them?
She's talking to me about food. We've got cats and kittens. And a very friendly cat man. This is amazing. I'm almost worried to walk backwards because I'm scared to trip over a cat. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 12. I don't know. Can you keep count with this? Let's turn around and look the other way. What have we here? We have some cats and some girls maybe doing the catwalk. Give them some privacy and get back to our own cat party.
Its glow on his gentle face. With whiskered friends they find a hiding place. In every sorrow there's a smile to chase. A humble king in his alley's embrace. Underneath the stars they roam and they play.
Thank you so much for the Turkish people to be so nice to cats and birds and homeless animals. We asked the guy in the store if he had a cat. He said he has every cat on the street. Amazing. Oh, I recognize you. Yeah, I recognize your voice as well. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Rick Sanchez.
This is Istanbul, a place where people are really kind to cats, birds, all homeless animals. Such a pleasure to be recording this. Everybody's happy. This is such a beautiful moment.
Mr H2S with a heart so bold, homeless on the streets but his dreams are gold. Camera in hand with a story to tell, from the darkened alleys to a digital swell. Started with the vlog on a rainy day, ignored by the crowd but that's okay. Subscribers grew with every grin, he knew his journey would soon begin. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, sponsors rolling in for the ride. On Patreon he's the king of grace, yeah. Mr H2S, wearing that success face. Wearing that success face. Late nights, editing content right. Magical moments, shining in the light. He kept on smiling, never gave in. Pushing through struggles, wearing a grin. From cardboard bed to silver play. No more looking back, no more gray. Sponsors called, wanted to invest. Mr H2S now at his best. He's got merch and laps to sell. Every video cast a unique spell. Community grew with every smile, turning tough roads to a golden mile. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, sponsors rolling in for the ride. On Patreon he's the king of grace, yeah. Mr H2S, wearing that success face. Wearing that success face. Late nights, editing content right. Magical moments, shining in the light.
There's nothing but good vibes here. I was having a little bit of stress before, and wow, has it all gone away now. What a pleasure, what a joy.
I love making video and sharing, but I need support. Please subscribe, like, share, and please consider to sponsor $1 on my Patreon. Link in the video and in the description.
Travel, explore, meet new friends every day. Never forget to smile. For once I feel fairly confident using my voice in the camera. I guess there has to be something going on that I really know what to talk about. Thank you so much for watching.